In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create web photo galleries in Lightroom Classic. If you're someone who wants to showcase your photos beautifully and efficiently online, you've come to the right place. First things first, before diving into the specifics of gallery creation, ensure that you've already imported and edited the photos you wish to include. This step is crucial as your gallery will reflect the quality and aesthetics of your images. Once your photos are ready, you'll need to navigate to the Web module. You can do this by heading to the top module picker, where you'll see various modules like Library, Develop, and of course, Web. Simply click on the Web module, and you'll be taken to a workspace tailored for creating web galleries. Now that you're in the Web module, focus on the left panel, where you'll find your photo collections. Here, select the specific photos or an entire collection that you want to feature in your gallery. This step is akin to curating an exhibition, so make sure the selection is cohesive. Next, it's time to think about the presentation. In the template browser, which is also on the left side, you'll find a variety of gallery templates. These templates offer different styles and layouts for your gallery. Take some time to browse through them until you find one that complements your photos and style. Remember, the template you choose will set the tone for your audience's viewing experience. Once you've chosen your template, shift your focus to the right panels. Here's where you can really personalize your gallery. Start with the Site Info section. This allows you to add a title, subtitle, and contact information. This is your chance to give your gallery a personal touch and offer viewers a way to reach you if necessary. Next, customize the color palette or appearance section. Here, you can modify the background color, select the fonts, and adjust image frames. These elements can significantly impact the overall look, so ensure they align with the theme or mood you wish to convey. Now, let's talk about image info. This section allows you to control what metadata appears with your photos. You can choose to display captions, titles, or other details that provide more context to your images. With your gallery aesthetically set, turn to Output Settings. Here, you can specify the JPEG quality and image sizing. It's essential to choose sRGB for the color space, as it's the standard for web displays, ensuring your photos look their best across different browsers and devices. Finally, it's decision time. Do you want to export your gallery locally, or would you prefer to upload it directly to a server? This choice depends on how you plan to host and share your gallery. To wrap it up, Lightroom Classic allows you to preview your web gallery before going live. In the Web module, click on Preview in Browser to see exactly how it will appear to your audience. Take this moment to spot any final adjustments needed before your gallery is officially live. And there you have it. Crafting a stunning web photo gallery in Lightroom Classic is that straightforward.